heading off to Longleat, and this is for Amy's 10th birthday as part of her birthday present. We've got up really early this morning, got up about 10 past 6. I needed to do my makeup in the car. I literally couldn't pull myself out of bed this morning, it was really bad. I didn't go to bed till about midnight last night because I was editing, and hopefully the traffic this morning will be good to us. We're hoping to get a McDonald's on the way as well, which we're super excited for. So we're going to find one of them, stop en route,
keep right.
Hopefully get to Longleat for, it says 10:15. Just pulled over at some services, and Josh is going to go and have a look if the McDonald's is like an eat-in, because we want to sit down for 15 minutes, 20 minutes and just have an eat-in McDonald's rather than eat it in the car, because the girls get pancakes. Amy, are you going to get a pancake? Maybe. Ellie, what are you going to get?
A McMuffin.
McMuffin. I'm probably going to get a McMuffin. That's my favourite. Mum, you're going to get a McMuffin, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, we love McMuffin. I am so hungry right now. I've also, oh my god, also went to bed at midnight last night, so I'm just really super tired because the clocks went back. I did technically get an extra hour in bed, which was so good.
Thumbs up.
Okay.
Oh, we got the thumbs up from Josh?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, right, let's get a move on and go and sit at McDonald's. Although these hash browns could definitely be hotter. Have you had one yet? What do you think? Average? So you prefer a normal hash brown?
If it's not that hot.
No. Normal hash brown is way better. Amy, what's the thing that you're most looking forward to today? Meerkats. Why, 12 o'clock, can we go and feed them? Yeah. Ellie, what are you most looking forward to today? You're not sure? Maybe feeding the deer?
She's reading.
Oh, we've got probably about an hour and 15 minutes to just have a little look around, and then we've got to make our way to the meerkat feeding experience at 12, which I'm super excited about as well, because I will be doing that with Amie. Fond of asking the two of us, it may be she still has to get me. I know, she knows.
Hey, let's play.
Collected our tickets and just checked in. That was like the longest queue of my life to get into a safari. And then they've got the Great British Autumn, so there's a couple of things on today. Now we have about, we have about an hour until our meerkat experience, and then we'll do the safari this afternoon. She did say there was like a train and a boat, didn't she?
Yeah.
Included, but I'm not really sure what that is. There's lots of cool things that you can do in here. Oh look, it's a little lemur. A lemur? I think that's a lemur. Heading into the jungle cruise. He's catching a tan. I have no idea. They live in the tree.
This is lounge.
How cute. They're like sat in the trees over there. Oh my lord. That looks like a hare. Is it a hare? What do you think it is, Amy?
What's that?
What's what? That looks like a big pig. But it is a Arvadark.
Like a rat in the front. A bloated rat.
A bloated rat.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. He's had a bit of a wax in the middle. Bless him.
Never seen this one.
We've just seen this sign and it literally says, don't feed us, I may bite. And we're going to go feed the meerkats. Do you think we're going to have any fingers left after we did the meerkats, Amy?
No.
How cute are they? Oh my god, they are adorable.
One's trying to eat its tail. I think they can't.
Oh, they're adorable.
No.
Ellie just said she wanted to see the speeders, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it in your bedroom.
Yeah.
You can snuggle with it at night time, Ellie. What do you think? Porcupine. Although I don't see the porcupine.
Can you see?
No. There! There! That's where the porcupine is.
He's hiding.
He must be there. Wow, look at him. He's got a big nose. I can relate. Go, go, go. Running to try and find a seat on this train. And the train is about to depart.
He's the driver.
Oh, toot toot toot. Oh God, I hope to see some cute little animals. What animals do you think we're going to see today? Toot toot. Maybe some little ram or like mini deer or like Bambi. I've got a monkey sat right next to me. My little cheeky monkey. For a second we literally all thought that they were real deer. And we all just went, oh my gosh, and then, I don't know if you can see, but they're literally just decorations. Look, it's a stream. Longleat Central. It's such the experience, double checking. I've got our little tickets, we just got to check in now.
And get our guidebook.
And we need a guidebook, that's very true. The otters.
You're more than welcome to meet us around the other side and obviously come into the walkthrough and watch.
That experience was so cool, so fun. I did kind of think though that you'd be able to put like the food on your hand and you'd physically feed them, but obviously she was saying that they would literally like bite your whole finger off because they can bite through bone, which is so crazy. We had the best time and Amie loved it. Ellie is sulking a little bit because it's not her birthday. Now we are just heading to the jungle cruise, so that is like a little cruise along the river, and fingers crossed we get to see the big scary gorillas. Amie, did you love it?
Yeah.
It's called the Lady Bath. Excited for the boat ride, Josh? Buzzing.
Giants that live in the lake. Now they can jump as high as the top handrail that goes around the boat, and they do have.
You saw the sea lion?
Did you? So there's absolutely.
Are you sure?
Says you can jump up to the.
Handbags, children.
Oh yeah, it's over there.
Absolutely anything.
You can jump up
Just
to
don't
the.
dangle it over. That is all the safety steps gone through. Feel free to wave at the strangers. You wouldn't do it on the M5, but we do it on a boat.
Anyone see any sea lions? I'd love to know what a sea lion feels like. Like, do you reckon it's slimy or silky? But they must have like a coating so they stay dry.
So down this end of the lake, there's lovely bell
There's the sea lion.
We've got an unrelated female called Ida, and she joined us. And we had a baby. So you can see there, Keisha, our dominant male. So a silverback is not a sign of dominance. Just like us, they go grey with age. So a silverback is a sign of maturity. Yeah, but yes, the Koreans' favourite food is yogurt. And that's because they know what is going to happen.
I see.
We are going to go feed the birds. They're so noisy. So colourful and sweet though. You excited to feed the birds?
Yeah.
Yeah? We're going to get a little pot to feed the birds and hopefully they like come over to me and like sit on my shoulder. It's so cool. Oh god, imagine it shits on your head. That would be so funny.
Yeah.
Mom! Josie!
Oh, I wish you could like stroke them. Oh my god, this is so cool.
It's so scary.
Oh god, the way that they like, whoa mama. Out the way, mister. He's trying to take my part. Yummy. Whoa. Oh my god, the koalas are so cute. Can't you get ill from a koala? You can catch something, can't you?
You can catch rabies?
HIV?
Rabies?
No. Something in Australia, and like Beth was like, oh, I'm not gonna like hold it. No, they're both just sitting in the tree eating away. We're looking for a hairy-nosed wombat. Do we see it? Oh my god, he's out. He's so cute. When I was a kid, I always wanted to be like a vet or a zookeeper or work for animals. I was literally obsessed with animals, but science was not my strong point. And also being a vet and working with animals means you have to see a lot of animals die, which literally breaks my heart. So that is two of the reasons I never became a vet or a zookeeper. Still, I would love to work with animals because today is just like the best day.
Because the grey one
grey
carry a disease, but it doesn't harm the grey one, but it kills the
red ones, yeah. So red squirrels have been killed by grey squirrels, but oh my god, guys, look.
Disease took over like madness.
It is so cute, just chilled out there. Oh, red squirrels are so pretty. The grey ones, just not the same. How cute is this?
I like a little fluffy piece.
Thank you. And he's got a little friend over there in the corner, right at the back. It's actually so hot in here, it's really humid. They obviously keep it really warm for the crocodiles. Loads of little fish in the water as well. I'm surprised they don't eat the fish. I just thought that's like part of their diet. It's such a small little pond for these two crocodiles. I feel a little bit bad for them. We obviously can't all agree on one place to go for lunch. So everyone's just getting a little bit of something everywhere else and everywhere different. Me and Mum are just grabbing some donuts to snack on, but we picked the cinnamon donuts. They smell amazing. We have secured the donuts. We're just gonna deliver the donuts and then go and grab our free coffee. Mum, of course, wants a cappuccino. I'll probably get like a latte or a macchiato. Josh, you're getting a latte as well, aren't you?
Probably.
I'm excited. This coffee machine looks really good. It's like an espresso one. And we are coffee connoisseurs.
Latte.
That one.
Yeah.
Yummy. Cappuccino. I will have a latte macchiato. We're doing a challenge where these guys basically have to eat a donut, half donut without licking their lips. So we're going to see who can do that. We got Ellie participating in the challenge. Josh so far also running in lead. Neither have licked their lips. Josh has finished his donut, so...
You didn't?
No.
He did.
No, he didn't.
Well,
Oh, now.
he stuck
I
his
saw him
stuck
now.
his tongue out.
So Ellie's the winner because Josh has already.
You did know.
Well,
Jodes, after Josh put the donut in his mouth, he went like...
we have crowned the winner. Ellie over here, aged 8. She has succeeded and beaten Josh, aged 32. We've just had our little donut and now we're going to drive through to the safari. I don't know where I'm going though, I'm not going to lie. But it has been an amazing day. Got our little VIP passes still. And then put my phone on charge because my phone's about to die. And hit the road to the safari, so it was about a 15-minute journey. Maybe they're like a couple or a pair. They're so elegant.
See if he comes in, look in the car. See if he comes. Oh, watch it. You know how quick they are.
Oh, they're so fast. Hello, man. They're actually really dirty as well.
Yeah, so funny.
Oh, look, it's a baby. There's little baby ones as well. Look, he's looking for like the nuts.
Not show on my window.
Wow, look. They're so tiny. Monkeys are so naughty, which is what we learned when we were in Bali.
There is an art.
Must be something on the car.
No.
Oh, look.
Oh, two.
Little baby.
This one underneath. There's two on the roof.
Shows your ass.
The one I'm pointing at is the hats here, the legs. The one next to the
Look at these two.
They're like best buddies, them two. Chewing away, eating their dinner. Here, if you got.
Because they can whip this. Something is almost as tiger, but they're going like nuts. Oh. Oh, she's something. She's something wrong with her. Because she must have done something. Where's it going in there? She's shouting.
Now driving back from Longleat. That day was amazing. We honestly had the best time, and as promised, I am driving home. The weather has been beautiful. The sun is literally just like setting now. It's such a gorgeous view, and we've got all the trees and everything. That was amazing. I loved feeding the meerkats and feeding the little birds. What was your favourite bit, Ellie?
Eating the birds.
Yeah. What was your favourite bit, Amie? Meerkats. Also, the safari was honestly so good. When we went through the enclosure for the tiger, he literally brushed up so close to the car. It's literally insane, like how close they get to you. It's just amazing to see them just wandering around and up close. I just wish certain things you could obviously like feed. It would have been nice. The deer, apparently, sometimes you can feed the deer. A little hut where you can buy food to feed the deer, but I think it was closed. We did see the hut, but there was no one there. It just looked closed. I'm already quite hungry. I didn't really have any lunch. I had a couple of donuts. What does everyone fancy for dinner? We're going to be home at 6:15. Mum, anything you fancy?
Not sure yet. What's me now?
I am so tired, honestly. Today feels like it's been the best day, but also the longest day. We've just had dinner and we got a little Chinese takeaway because I honestly couldn't be asked to cook. Chinese, Indian, both of them is like one of our go-to takeaways if we can't be asked to cook. So we just had a little Chinese. Now I'm just ready for bed. I've made myself a nice like peppermint tea. I'm gonna take my makeup off, which is like my favourite thing. Love, love, love wearing makeup, but at the end of the day, I just want to take it off. but it's also such a chore. That's why sometimes I just don't wear makeup, because at the end of the day I just can't be asked to spend the extra 10 minutes taking it off, which is really lazy, I get that, but I just can't be asked. I'm gonna take my makeup off now and then enjoy my cup of tea. I am also boiling the kettle to make myself a nice hot water bottle because it is freezing. Autumn has autumned overnight, and then we're gonna get my comfy pyjamas on and just head up to bed so I can get like a good night's sleep, considering last night I literally went to bed at midnight and then woke up this morning at 6 AM. Driving 2.5 hours back from Longleat in the dark has just shattered me. But thank you so much for watching. I wanted to wrap up this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I will see you guys very soon.